Welcome to Perpetual Investment Group, where precision meets passion. Today, we'll walk you through how to approach buying a luxury watch as both an enthusiast and an investor. A luxury watch world is more than just fashion. It's a global network of craftsmanship, heritage, and investment. Every great collector starts with one informed purchase. Some buy for status, others for passion. The most informed buyers see watches as alternative assets, tangible stores of value that can appreciate over time. Not all luxury watches are created equal. True investment-grade watches have 5 key traits: exceptional craftsmanship, strong brand heritage, market demand, rarity, and pristine condition. Brands define value. From the Holy Trinity to mid-tier icons, each watchmaker carries its own legacy and market behavior. Knowing where to enter determines your long-term return. The wrong purchase can cost thousands. Counterfeits and inflated pricing are everywhere, and even legitimate sellers can overcharge for poor-condition watches. This is where expert consultation pays off. Our sourcing process begins with understanding your goals, lifestyle, brand preferences, and investment horizon. Then we authenticate, negotiate, and deliver the right timepiece with full transparency. A watch with its original box and papers can command 20 to 30% higher resale value. Documentation preserves both authenticity and liquidity. Like art or classic cars, the watch market moves in cycles. Timing your purchase or sale with market demand can significantly enhance your returns. For many high-net-worth investors, luxury watches are part of a diversified portfolio, tangible, transferable, and historically stable against inflation. At Perpetual Investment Group, we offer tailored consultation to ensure your acquisition aligns with both your style and investment goals. We don't sell, we guide. Many of our clients began simply wanting a luxury watch and discovered a lifelong asset. One consultation can change how you see time itself. If you're ready to explore the world of luxury watches, not just as a collector, but as an investor, connect with us at perpetualig.com. Let's see if our concierge consulting is the right fit for you.